Welcome back to the Excel course. Today we're going to learn how to use one of the most powerful tools for quickly copying styles across your spreadsheet, the Format Painter. You'll find the Format Painter icon in the Home tab. It looks like a little paintbrush. Let's see how it works. Suppose you have a cell that you've already formatted. Maybe it has a font size of 16, uses the body font style, is bold, and has a blue fill color. You want to apply that same style to another cell without doing it all manually. Easy. Just select the original cell, click on the Format Painter, then click on the target cell. Instantly, the same formatting is applied. Let's try it with a rejected status. The cell is red and italic, selected, click Format Painter, then apply the formatting to the other cells where you want the same style. What if you have a heading like Note that's bold, italic, and centered? Same thing, click on the formatted cell, click the Format Painter, and then click on the target cells. It's that simple. The Format Painter is a time saver for copying all your formatting, like font size, color, alignment, and style, without repeating manual steps. No need to click bold, color, and alignment separately every time. Try it out and see how much time you can save. Thanks so much for watching. Let's move on to the next lesson soon. Don't forget, you can enroll in the full course through the link in the description.